How much money should I invest in a Gold IRA? Considering a Gold IRA for your retirement portfolio? Here's the guide to help you decide how much to invest. Purpose of a Gold IRA. A Gold IRA holds physical gold instead of traditional assets like stocks or bonds. It helps protect against economic instability and inflation but lacks income generation and has liquidity limitations. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Financial considerations. 1. Current portfolio. Ensure gold complements your existing investments. 2. Investment horizon. Younger investors might allocate more to gold, those nearing retirement should be more conservative. 3. Liquidity needs. Gold isn't as liquid as stocks. Avoid overinvesting if you might need quick access to funds. 4. Risk tolerance. Gold can be stable long-term but may still fluctuate. Recommended allocation. Experts suggest allocating 5 to 10% of your portfolio to gold. This range balances diversification with the benefits of gold as a hedge against inflation. Costs. 1. Storage fees, annual fees for IRS-approved depositories. 2. Insurance costs, protection against theft or damage. 3. Transaction fees, higher fees compared to traditional assets. Carefully consider these factors to determine how much gold fits into your overall retirement strategy. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.